So here we got a really cool aquascape scalloped urn that looks good. Be honest, algae grows on these things a little bit sometimes. So sometimes you got to do a little bit to maintain them. People ask me sometimes like, hey, you know, what's the lowest maintenance water feature out there? Is it fountains? It can be. Fountains are easy, but you honestly, to be very straight with it, you do get a little bit of algae on them sometimes. It's natural, it's a plant, it's great. There's nothing wrong with it, but if you feel that's too unsightly, you know what I mean, that's when I recommend going with some different pondless waterfalls and all that kind of thing. If homeowners go with it, we are going to be putting some plants in here that will help with this. We got a couple other things we're gonna do. And this was just a really neat little scalloped urn with a spillway bowl that we cut some slits in. Stole this from one of my aquascape friends. Saw them do this before. Aquatic plants are gonna make a huge difference. We knew that this area was gonna be really tight. You can see a little bit of the water here. We do got some splash pads in here, and that's from hitting rocks like this and bouncing. So we got a little bit of splash pad in there. We'll dial that down. What we had to do was cut out a little bit of the patio, actually cut through some concrete. It wasn't easy, just in order to get enough space to get a basin in here. And then we were able to get the basin, fill it up with some aqua blocks, get a liner in there that's all kinds of different shapes and sizes because of the concrete that's down underneath of there. But again, we need some plants. We get some plants in, it'll soften all this, calm all this down. We got this really awesome fountain here in the front.